Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. And today I have take a next topic number. Okay, it is the part of the noun. It is not separate from the nouns. Okay, it is the part. We can classify the noun in a separate way, like its kind. Noun is noun separate or classified in a its parts and gender and number, and we can also classify its part in a countable and uncountable noun. Okay, we can learn the noun in a separate way. Okay, so it is the third way of the noun. In the first way you will know about the noun, and then you also know how can we classify of the noun in a gender. According to the gender we can classify of the noun, and today you will know about that how can we divide the noun according to the number. Okay, it is not separate from the noun, it is a part of the noun. Okay, so first we learn what is the number. Clear? So first I will tell you about the definition of the number. When a noun word denotes or refers one or more than one person, place, animals or things. Okay, when a noun word refer one or more than one person, place, animal or things. Okay, we can know the definition of the noun according to definition of the number according to the noun. So when we define the number, then it is the simply we can define it. Number is a when a noun word refer to one or more than one person, place, animals or things, then we can say it is the number. Clear? So how can we refer to one person or more than one person? So look here, if a word is here boy. Okay, you know about the boy is a noun word, and what kind of the noun? It is the common noun. Okay, it is the one boy. These words refer to only one person. Okay, and when we use these words in a plural form, then it will be boys. And these words boys refer to more than one person. You know that is the word. This word is the person. Okay, and how many person? Only one person. It is the boy. Boy refer the one person, and this is the this boy word transferred into the boys, and this boy word is referred to more than one person. It is the refer more than one person, so we can say that it is the plural form. Okay, it is singular form and it is the plural form. So we can say easily that it is the singular number and it is the plural number. So singular number, what is the singular number? You can see here, when we speak about one person, one animal or one thing, we use the noun in a singular number form. Okay, we use the singular number form. So you can see here the boy. Boy is the singular number word. Okay, why? Because this word refer to only one person. Okay, if here we can write here book. Book is the one thing, and it is also refer a one thing, so it will be a singular number. Clear? When we speak about one person, one animal or one thing, we use the noun in the singular form. Clear? For example, like a boy, tiger, box, etc. Boy is a one person name, tiger is a one animal name, box is a one thing's name. Okay, so these words you can see here, these words refer only one person, place, animals or things. So we can say that this is the singular number. Okay, this is the singular number, this is singular number, this is singular number. Clear? And here the boy's word refer to more than one. It is the refer the more than one. Then you can see that when we speak about two or more people, animals or things, we use the noun in the plural form. Okay, we can simply define it when a noun word refer to more than one person, place, animals or things. We can say these type of the word will be plural number. Clear? For example, boys, tigers, boxes. You can see here the boy will be boys, tigers, box and boxes. Okay, these words refer to one person, place, animals or thing, and these words, okay, with these words refer to more than one person, place, animals or things. Clear? I hope everyone understand about the number. Okay, and then also know the parts of number. How many kinds of number? There are two kinds of number, singular number and plural number. How can we define the number? So singular number define here. We when we speak about the person, one person, one animal, one or things, we we use the noun in the singular number, and here the plural number when a noun word refer to more than one person, place, animals or thing, then it will be plural number. Clear? And next is how can we transfer or change the singular number into the plural number? There are many rules. So let's see here and know how to change singular number to plural number. Everyone know about the noun word? Clear? Everyone know about the noun word. So by adding some of the noun word, by adding s to singular form to plural form. Okay, like a garden will be gardens. Okay, book will be books. It is the simply when we adding s to the singular form, then it will be changed into the plural form. Okay, but when some of the noun has O, X, CH, SH, double S, etc. are the words. We can use these words in the end of the noun word. We can find these words in the end of the noun word. Then we can change this noun word into the by adding the S or ES. We can adding only ES. Okay. We can adding by es and change this noun word into the plural form. How can we change this? Like a mango. Mango is a noun word, and you can see here the O, so it will be mangoes by adding es. Okay, and here the X, then you can see box. In the last X you can find X. Then we can change this noun word into the plural form by adding es. Okay, next is ch. You know about the word watch. Watch is a noun word, and when we change it into the plural form, then we can use or adding es, and then it will be changed into the plural form. Why? Because in the end of the noun word we can see that here is the ch in the end of the words. Okay, and when I use double s like a class, then we can change into the plural form by adding es, and it will be classes. Clear? It is the simple way to change singular number into the plural number. Clear? Next is, if many of the noun word has a y in the end of the noun word, then how can we change these noun words into the plural form? So let's see here. If like a city, in the city you can see here y letter in the end of the noun word. When we change this word to the plural form, then it will be cities. Okay, remove the y letter and add ies. Okay, add ies and it change into the plural form. Why? If how can we change this city word into the plural form by adding ies? So let's see here. If in the end of the noun word you can see y, and before the y you have to see the consonants letter. Okay, if you see here consonants letter before the y, then you remove the y and add ies and change into the plural form. Okay, like duty, then it will be duties. Country, then it will be countries. Story, and it will be stories. Okay, but many, if the before the y letter we cannot find the consonant letter, then how can we change this word into the plural form? So easily, like a day, you can see here is the y. Okay, here is the y, and before the y you can see here is the vowels letter. A is a vowels letter. There are 5 letters of the vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So you can see here before the y you can see a vowels letter. Then we can change these words into the plural form. Then we can't use ies. Okay, you only add s and change these words into the plural form. Clear? Clear now? Okay, next is, if the many of the noun words in the end of the word in noun ending, we can find ie, double o, or eo. ie, double o, or eo in the end of the noun. Then we can add only s in the end of the noun, like a tie. Okay, tie word you can see here e, I, e, then only use s, and we change this word into the plural form. And if you find out double o, cuckoo. Okay, then you only use s and change this word into the plural form. Okay, and if you have to find eo, then you also add s. Okay, ie in the noun word, double o in the noun word, and eo in the noun word. So you can change into the plural form. You usually s by adding s, and you can change these words into the plural form. Clear? And next is, if a noun word has a f or fe in the end of the words, then how can we change these words into the plural form? Okay, if the noun word has f or es in the end of the words, then we remove the FR, FE and add VES. By adding VES, we can change it into the plural form, like it calf, wife. Okay, calf and wife. You can see here F and here is the FE. Okay, so when you change this word into the plural form, then use VES, remove the F. Okay, and calf will be calves. Okay, and here is the FE. When you change this word into the plural form, then remove FE and add VES, change into the plural form. We can easily change this noun word into the plural form by adding VES. Clear? But many of the words that has FR, FE, we can't change and add VES. Okay? For example, roof. Roof is a word. We cannot remove the F and add VES. We only add S. Okay? Only add S and it will be changed into the plural form. And if cliff, you can see here F, we only use as and it will be changed into the plural form. Clear? I hope you have know about the number and parts of number and definition of number with the example, and you also know how to change singular form into the plural form by using some of the rules. Clear? So this is a very interesting topic. I hope everyone has been understand this topic. If you have any confusion, then comment into the comment box. And thank you for watching video. Best of luck.